Sairam students, welcome to the first session of General Knowledge. Students, you may think, why should we learn general knowledge? General knowledge is also very important like other subjects. General knowledge is something that really helps us to grow both on personal as well as academic level. It helps to improve academic grades. It also helps to improve skills like self-confidence, problem solving, interviewing, and many more. So keep learning, enhance your knowledge. It will help you to develop your personality. Students, now we will start first lesson, literature. Literature means collection of written work. In ancient India, literature originated from stories that were originally orally transmitted. Mahabharata, Ramayana, Ramcharitmanas are good examples of literature. Students, here you can see some words. Splash, pop, whisper, clap, oink. These are sound words made by objects. These words are called onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is a poetic structure of words to convey how something sounds. Students, you can check more examples of onomatopoeic words at onomatopoeia word list for kids. Students, now we will start question and answers. Be ready with a book and a pen. With the help of the clues given in the box, write the distinctive sounds for each of the following. The words given in the help box are rustling, howling, pattering, hissing, gurgling. Rustling describes soft sound. Howling describes a prolonged high-pitched sound. Pattering describes a repeated light tapping sound. Hissing make a sharp sibilant sound as of the letter S. Gurgling means hollow bubbling sound. Let's start the questions. First question is, I can hear the dash wind. Here, which word describes the sound of wind? Howling. Correct. I can hear the howling wind. Second question is, I can hear the dash rain. Which word describes the sound of rain? Pattering. I can hear the pattering rain. Third question is, I can hear the dash of the river. Here, which word describes the sound of river? Gurgling. I can hear the gurgling of the river. Fourth question is, I can hear the dash of steam. Which word describes the sound of steam? Hissing. I can hear the hissing of steam. Fifth question is, I can hear the dash of silk. Which word describes the sound of silk? Rustling. I can hear the rustling of silk. I hope you have copied the answers. Do you know, students, acoustics is the branch of physics concerned with the study of sound, mechanical waves in gases, liquids and solids. A scientist who works in the field of acoustics is an acoustician. The main application of acoustics is in the noise reduction and in the field of ultrasound such as sonar. Students, we have completed first lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, you can see some pictures here. In first picture, the sound of bee. Which word we say for this sound? Birds. In second picture, the balloon burst with a loud sound. For this, which word we say? Pop. In third picture, The ice dropped in the glass. For this, which word we say? Tinkle. Students, we have completed first lesson, literature. Students, do you remember nursery poem? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Listen again and enjoy those days again. Students, we have finished with the first lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.